welcome to the new video and thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to factorize z square plus 1, which is a complex expression. So first of all, I write plus 1 in this way, that is z square minus 1 into minus 1. And we know that iota square is equal to minus 1. So I replace this minus 1 with iota square. So we have z square minus iota square. Now apply the formula, that is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. So we have z minus iota into z plus iota. So this is how we factorize this type of expressions.